Grass grows, trees overgrow, and gardens always need care. That's not just nature. That's a nonstop business based on recurring income. From lawn care to outdoor makeovers, landscaping franchises cash in on the fact that homeowners never stop investing in their yards. Whether it's curb appeal, outdoor comfort, or property value, this industry keeps growing year after year. With IFBC, you're connected to trusted gardening and landscaping brands that bring proven systems, strong reputations, and the marketing power you need to grow fast. And here's the beauty of it. You don't need to know gardening. The franchise helps you recruit and train skilled crews so you can focus on winning clients and building your business empire and wealth. The most profitable territories are being claimed now. Book your free IFBC consultation today and turn nature's growth into your own success story. Or if you know someone who loves the outdoors and wants to turn it into a profitable business, share this with them. You might just plant the seed for their success.